A woman has initiated legal action against comedian and former talk show host Ellen DeGeneres, alleging that negligence in driving led to a significant vehicle collision more than 2 years ago. The incident reportedly occurred when DeGeneres failed to come to a complete stop at a stop sign, resulting in her vehicle impacting the plaintiff's car in a forceful manner. This collision, described as a T-bone accident, caused the plaintiff to sustain multiple serious injuries along with various forms of damages. The plaintiff has recently requested that the case be decided by a jury, marking a new development in the proceedings. Legal documents detail how the plaintiff approached the intersection cautiously, ensuring no other vehicles were present before proceeding. However, DeGeneres' vehicle entered the intersection abruptly without halting properly, leading to the unexpected crash. The complaint emphasizes that this action fell below the reasonable standard of care expected from a driver in similar circumstances. As a result of the accident, the plaintiff claims to have experienced not only physical harm but also substantial loss of income and business opportunities. Additionally, there have been reports of emotional distress, anxiety, and a diminished enjoyment of life stemming from the event. These consequences highlight the profound impact such incidents can have on individuals, extending beyond immediate physical effects to longer-term psychological and financial repercussions. DeGeneres, a prominent figure in entertainment known for her groundbreaking career, has yet to be formally notified of the lawsuit due to her residence overseas. She and her wife have settled in a picturesque rural area in England, embracing a lifestyle change that includes more space for personal interests such as equestrian activities. This international move necessitates specific legal protocols for serving documents, ensuring compliance with established conventions for cross-border notifications. The case originated from an event in a scenic coastal region of California, a location often associated with relaxed drives but where traffic rules remain critical for safety. The plaintiff's vehicle, a high-end electric model, was struck forcefully, underscoring the potential dangers at intersections even in low-traffic areas. Such accidents serve as reminders of the importance of vigilance and adherence to road signs, regardless of familiarity with an area. Throughout her career, DeGeneres has been celebrated for bringing joy and laughter to millions through her comedic talents and hosting prowess. Her influence extended to advocating for kindness and positivity, themes that resonated deeply with audiences worldwide. However, like many public figures, she has navigated personal challenges, including shifts in professional landscapes and decisions to seek quieter environments away from the spotlight. The couple's relocation followed significant life events, including real estate transactions that allowed them to transition to a more expansive property suited to their current passions. This new chapter emphasizes tranquility and fulfillment outside the fast-paced world of Hollywood, with opportunities to engage in hobbies that bring personal satisfaction. Legal matters of this nature often involve detailed examinations of events, witness accounts, and expert analyses to determine responsibility. In this instance, the focus remains on the specifics of the driving actions at the moment of the collision and their consequences. Jury trials can provide a forum for thorough presentation of evidence, allowing peers to assess the facts impartially. Personal injury claims arising from vehicle accidents are common, yet each carries unique elements based on circumstances. Here, the allegations center on a momentary lapse that allegedly led to lasting effects for the plaintiff. Recovery from such injuries can be multifaceted, involving medical treatment, rehabilitation, and adjustments to daily routines. DeGeneres' journey in the public eye has included highs of immense popularity and contributions to cultural conversations, as well as periods of scrutiny. Transitioning to private life abroad represents a deliberate choice for renewal and peace, aligning with broader themes of adaptation and growth. As proceedings continue, the case may evolve with additional filings, responses, and preparations for trial. Outcomes in such disputes vary, often depending on interpretations of evidence and applicable laws. For those involved, resolution brings closure, whether through settlement or verdict. This situation illustrates the unpredictability of everyday activities like driving, where split-second decisions can alter lives. It also reflects how individuals in the spotlight manage private affairs amid ongoing public interest. Ultimately, the emphasis remains on fairness and accountability within the legal framework designed to address grievances. The plaintiff's pursuit of a jury decision underscores a desire for community input in evaluating the claims. Such requests are standard in civil matters, offering an alternative to bench trials. Scheduling considerations ensure adequate time for all parties to prepare thoroughly. In broader context, road safety initiatives continually advocate for full stops at signs, awareness of surroundings and defensive driving techniques. Incidents like this reinforce those messages, potentially influencing behaviors for greater caution. DeGeneres and her partner's life in the countryside paints a serene picture, contrasting with past high-profile engagements. Investments in properties and lifestyles that prioritize well-being demonstrate foresight in planning for comfortable futures. Emotional impacts from accidents such as anxiety are increasingly recognized in legal contexts, acknowledging the holistic effects on well-being. Support systems, therapy, and time-aid recovery complementing physical healing. This ongoing matter serves as a chapter in DeGeneres' post-entertainment era, focused on personal happiness and stability. As details unfold, respect for procedural integrity remains paramount.